Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Android SMS retrieval permissions for OTP autofill, full guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying Android SMS retrieval permissions for OTP autofill, unlock your Android device. Navigate to the Settings app on your home screen or app drawer. Scroll down and select Apps or Applications. In the Apps section, locate and tap on the app you want to verify. Once in the app settings, look for Permissions. Tap on Permissions to see the list of granted permissions. Find SMS or SMS and phone permissions in the list. Make sure the SMS permission is enabled. If it is not, toggle to allow it. Next, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down to find Google or Google Services. Select Google and then tap on Settings for Google Apps. In this, return to the main settings menu again and select System. Choose Languages and Input. Scroll down and look for, if needed, switch to a different autofill service that supports OTP retrieval. Next, return to your messaging app where you receive SMS messages. Send a test message to your number containing an OTP. Once the message is received, check if the OTP is autofilled in the input field. If the OTP autofill works, then the permissions are successfully verified. If not, revisit the permissions and autofill settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. You have now completed the process of verifying Android SMS retrieval permissions for OTP autofill. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.